Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Moneymaker001. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to make a step-by-step online business and earn $100 to $200 every single day from that online business. Now, this is going to be really interesting, and I'm gonna show you how to earn $100 to $200 every single day from YouTube, as well as you can also do affiliate marketing with this strategy. Okay, so now let's get started, and this is going to be really interesting because you don't need to record your face, you don't need to do anything. You need to do is just use a particular software and you are ready to go for it. Okay, you don't need to record yourself, you don't need to do any voiceovers, nothing like that. All you need to do is just take a little bit of action and you can start making money with this strategy. Okay, just in a single month you can earn $1,000 with this strategy, but you have to take action. So now let's get started, and I will show you the entire process, the entire strategy, step by step. Each and every step will be covered in this video, so don't skip even a single second of this video. So now let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is, for this strategy, is that you need to go to PLR websites. Yeah, PLR websites, you can find a lot of ebooks. Okay, PLR means private label rights. That means the products which have a PLR license, you can sell these products. Okay, resell these products, and you have all the rights. Okay, so there won't be any problem of copyrights and all that stuff because these are private label rights. Okay, so you can use this product. Now you can download this products with this website idplr.com, as well as there is this website which is known as in digital downloads, and you can download all these PLR products absolutely for free from this websites. Now the best thing which I'm gonna tell you about this type of websites is that there are lots and lots of thousands of PLR products available on this website, but for this specific strategy we are interested in PLR ebooks. Okay, ebooks, really, why we are going to use ebooks? No, we are not going to sell those ebooks or do anything from those ebooks. We are just going to download those ebooks, and then I'm going to show you what you are going to do of that ebooks. Okay, so now once you have downloaded the ebook from this websites or this website, or there are many more websites available on the internet, so you can just go and download ebooks of whatever niche you want. First you have to select a niche. For example, if you are going to work in a health and fitness niche, you are going to work in law of attraction niche, self-help niche, just decide the niche in which you want to work. Okay, and then download ebooks related to that particular niche. That's really important. Okay, now you are going to require this software. This is known as Content Samurai. In the link in the description, I have shown an entire tutorial of how to use Content Samurai and create content using Content Samurai. Okay, so you can just check out that video for the full tutorial of how to use Content Samurai and make money from Content Samurai. Okay, so now let's get started and let me show you the interesting stuff. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to download an ebook. Okay, for example, I have downloaded this particular ebook. Now what I will be doing is that I will be just checking out the chapters of this ebook. So you can see that history of law of attraction. Okay, so okay, so here you can see this is the history of law of attraction. Now what you can do is, if you are going to start a YouTube channel in this. Okay, so you can just, this first chapter can act as your first script. Okay, so now you can just use this chapter as your script for a video. So you can just create a video on history of law of attraction. Okay, and then you can just copy all this content and directly paste it into Content Samurai, and Content Samurai will create a video out of that content for you. Okay, that's really interesting. Okay, so now then you can also make a video on this chapter. Now how people tend to misuse law of attraction. Now this is also content idea for you. Okay, so now you can use this entire chapter as a content. Okay, so this can be your video, 5 minute long video for that. Okay, now clearing the clutter of your mind. Now this can also be a video for content for a video. Now there can be this being very clear about what you want. Okay, so these are really interesting stuff. Okay, so now you can just make videos regarding each and every chapter, and you can just upload those videos as content on your YouTube channel utilizing Content Samurai. Now you can use all these articles which are available in this ebook, or chapters which are available in this ebook, as your content on your YouTube channel. That's really simple and that's really easy. Most of the YouTube channels, okay, many of the YouTube channels are doing this stuff. They are just using this type of content, PLR content, and you can see that this content is really written very professionally, and that's the reason why this type of content really works and attracts a lot of customers. Okay, so that's something which you need to understand. So now the problem of yours is solved, that you don't find any script. Okay, because you are already having a script, and you can use this all the scripts, and you can just make the money utilizing all the scripts, and you can make content using the scripts. Okay, so I am just saying that you can download hundreds of such ebooks in whatever niche you want. If you want it in law of attraction niche, you can do it in law of attraction niche. If you want to do it in another niche, for example self-help niche, you can do that. If you want that in health and fitness niche, you can do that, because you are getting content every single day. All you need to do is copy that content, paste that content into the software which is known as Content Samurai, and then create a video out of that content. That's the easiest stuff, because you don't need to hire someone to write a video script for you. You don't need to do any other stuff. All you need to do is take out ready-made content which is available and use that content as your video, and this can really make you a lot of money, because you will never run out of content, because there are thousands and thousands of videos just like this available on the internet. Okay, sorry, thousands and thousands of ebooks available on the internet, so you will never run out of content on your YouTube channel, and you can really start making a lot of money just by doing this very simple stuff. Because even in a single day you can make 2 to 3 videos just like this, and start uploading those videos to your YouTube channel, and uh, eventually your YouTube channel will start getting views. You will be completing your 1000 subscribers as well as 4000 hours of watch time, and after that you are gonna make some extra money just by uploading this really simple videos to YouTube, and you can make a lot of money out of this. So this is something which is really interesting, and anyone can do this stuff and really make a lot of money. You won't have any copyright issues, because all this is PLR content, and you can use this content absolutely for free. So this is really interesting, and this is how you can produce a lot of content for your YouTube channel absolutely for free, without doing any of the headache, without taking any of the headache or doing any of the work. Okay, so that's really easiest thing to do. Okay, the Content Samurai tutorial is in the description, so just check out that video. That is the entire tutorial where I have converted an article into Content Samurai video, and you can also do that really very easily. So if you got some value out of this video, if you are really going to take action on this strategy, then I highly recommend that you should really take action on that strategy. And the YouTube product which I am using, yes, I am using one YouTube product which is known as Video Marketing Blaster. Now that YouTube product helps my videos, helps me to rank my YouTube videos very fast. Okay, and that's the reason why I am getting more and more traffic to my YouTube channel every single day. So you can check out that product, the first link in the description. Okay, so that product will also help you if you really decide to start a YouTube channel and want to make money in 2020. So this is going to be a really interesting video. Watch this video. Okay, watch this video, share this video, subscribe to the channel, as well as press the bell notification so that you get notified every time I come up with this type of awesome videos. You can also check out other videos of mine on my YouTube channel. There are lots of them, and they will provide you a lot of value. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.